Welcome back to Learn Punjabi with Punjabi Charm podcast. I am Gurmeet, and in today's episode, we will continue our journey into the beautiful ways of saying thank you in Punjabi. In the last episode, we covered Tanad, बहुत Tanad, and Tohadi Mehrbani in Punjabi. If you haven't checked it yet, I will highly recommend starting there before diving into this one. It lays a great foundation for what we are covering today. Today, let's explore some more expression of gratitude in Punjabi. Let's start. In Punjabi culture, gratitude is not just a word, but a sentiment. So we have various ways to express it. One such expression is Shukar Gzar, which means I am grateful to you. It's a heartfelt way to show deep appreciation. Let's practice Shukar Gzar. You can repeat after me. Shukar Gzar. Shukar Gzar. Let's use it in a sentence. With the masculine subject, मैं तुहाडा शुक्रगुजार हाँ. I am grateful to you. मैं तुहाडा शुक्रगुजार हाँ. With the feminine subject, मैं तुहाडी शुक्रगुजार हाँ. मैं तुहाडी शुक्रगुजार हाँ. Excellent. This phrase is perfect for those times when you want to express more than just a simple thank you. Another way to express thanks, especially in a formal setting, is by saying Aap ji da Tanwad. Aap ji da Tanwad. This is a respectful way to thank someone, especially someone older or in a position of authority. Let's practice Aap ji da Tanwad. Aap ji da Tanwad. Now let's use it in a sentence. मेरी मदद करन लई आप जी दा धन्नवाद, which means thank you for helping me. मेरी मदद करन लई, to help is मदद करना, लई is for, आप जी दा धन्नवाद. Thank you for helping me. Great. Remember, the tone and context are as important as the words themselves. So to recap, today we added Shukar Gzar and Aap ji da Tanwad to our gratitude expressions in Punjabi. Remember, each phrase has its own charm and is suitable for different situations. Keep practicing and use these expressions to show your gratitude in Punjabi. To help you practice the expression of gratitude we have learned, I have prepared a worksheet available for download on my website punjabicharm.com. For more Punjabi learning content, join me on Instagram and subscribe to Punjabi Charm on YouTube. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more Punjabi learning fun. See you in the next episode and keep learning Punjabi. Tanwad.